My name is Enrique Cerna, and I'm with KCTS Television, and I have a nice hum with me right now. And I'm very pleased to be here to be your MC for this morning. I'd like to welcome right now Hernry Amaya and Peter Bloch Garcia to make some welcoming remarks. Welcome them.
Gracias, mi nombre es Hernry Amaya, yo soy un miembro de Bellevue College. I'm Hernry Amaya and I'm a member of Bellevue College. On behalf of Bellevue Community College, the president of the college in Fulton, Multicultural Services, Central Latino and the Latin American Culture Club, I would like to welcome all of you. This is actually very, very wonderful. And we are very proud to have this summit here at Bellevue College. And we do support this kind of activity as well as education of all Latinos. So please accept the welcome on behalf of President Fulton. And I'm very, very happy to be part of this effort. Thank you for being here today.
Good morning. I'm Peter Bloch Garcia, President and Chairman of the Latino Community Fund. And to get started with, actually I want to ask all of the Latino Community Fund board members to please stand. All of the board members who are here. And Jose, where is Jose? Jose is out of the room. And let's see. So I'm asking the board members to stand for a moment because I want all of you as Latino Community Fund board members to join me in welcoming all of the participants to today's Latino Community Fund Award Celebration and Civic Academy. So please, welcome. So I have a little bit of business to take care of first, which is to also extend additional thanks to lots of people who helped make the summit possible this year. We worked together with a number of partners, individuals like Hernry and Bellevue College, and so I have a list here to read of a number of our sponsors, such as Bellevue College, Washington State Commission on Hispanic Affairs, and when I'm calling you out, please stand also. So the representative Hernry from Bellevue, the Commission on Hispanic Affairs, Office of Superintendent of Public Instruction, the Office of Equity and Civil Rights at the OSPI, the Governor's Interagency Council on Health Disparities, the College of Education at the University of Washington and Washington State University and Seattle University, the City of Bellevue, the Washington Department of Financial Institutions, the Leukemia and Lymphoma Society, the Child Care Resource Center, Checkmasters, FedEx, Social Venture Partners, State Farm Insurance, Schwabe Williams and Wyatt, and Plaza Bank. Please join me in thanking our sponsors and partners in putting together this year's summit. I have another list of folks to thank and acknowledge with the help of Esparza Plus Communications. Carmen Esparza, who is also a board member, she and her staff worked very hard in acquiring a number of media sponsors to help promote and get the word out about our event this weekend. So I want to thank in particular Veme of KCTS 9, Univision Canale 51, Oye Producciones, La Raza de Noreste, eldiablito.com, El Rey 1360 AM, Entre Nosotras Latinas 1210 AM, Tu Decides, Radio Luz, Bustos Media, and El Mundo. So thank our media sponsors for helping to promote the event. And then finally, there were a number of individuals, some from the organizations that I just listed, that participated in the last 6 months planning process of developing and collaborating and planning for this to be an exceptional event this year. So you can see a list in your program actually. Behind the first page of your program, there's a list of all the individuals, so I want to particularly thank those individuals for all their work over the last several months in putting this event together. Thank you. Oh, that's right. Thank you. I was just reminded that I needed to make this announcement first. But this announcement is that for those of you who are monolingual English speakers, a short message about what today is all about. And in addition to the many list of people, the list of many people that I want to thank, I actually just want to add in Julie Davidson Gomez, who was the woman who was just handing me the reminder note. She's been our summit director this year, and she's done an amazing job putting together. So the Latino Community Fund, we host the summit. This is our second annual summit. We had one last year that some of you also might have attended. But we do the summit because what the Latino Community Fund is about, we are about equity, hope, and empowerment. And today's awards celebration that we're going to have in just a few minutes is going to, and as well as the Civic Academies after the awards celebration, are about these same things. So today is about hope because we're going to hear from 7 amazing programs who will receive a Latino Community Fund Grant Award for their great work, and hearing from them a few words that will inspire and give each of us hope and vision about a better future. Today's about equity because we are organizing ourselves in our civic academies into groups to discuss how we are going to improve and work towards more equitable outcomes for all Latinos and Latino families and children. And today in particular is about empowerment because each of us will need to draw strength from the different speakers today and from each other. We will need to draw inspiration from the speakers that we will hear, and we need to embrace our own individual leadership and make plans to implement the strategic directions that we decide together in the workout, what do we call them, the Civic Academy breakout sessions that many of you have signed up for in the back table. And I want to thank each of you individually for being here, because each of you is a leader, whether through your position or through your relationships. And you are here today to advance a shared vision that we have with the Latino Community Fund of a healthy and vibrant Latino community.